And Nunak finally says enough is enough.
I like that reaction.
Oh, nice serve,
Yeah.
but a good pass. Salamat. De Guzman keeping it alive. Makandili. To Panique. Ismeros! Gets her first point in the 2024 Pilipinas. Dorsafala. It's 9 match points for Alas Pilipinas. Gandler for the win. Not just yet.
Not
Dorsafala chasing it down. Salamat.
Oh,
Popped up by Katindig. Panique from the back row.
still alive.
Salamat again. A chance for Alas Pilipinas. Here we go. Ismeros! Winning shot! At the Rizal Memorial Coliseum. Alas Pilipinas.